Lesson 3-14 Practice Proving the Pythagorean Theorem. Question 1. Which of the following is a right triangle? Well, a common right triangle is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. And 3 times 5 is 15. So 9 squared, that's a squared, plus b squared, what was it, 12? And 15. Nine squared plus 12 squared equals 15 squared. Question 2. In right triangle ABC, a square is drawn on each of its sides. An altitude CD is drawn to the hypotenuse AB and extended to the opposite side of the square in FE. In class, we discussed Elena's observation that a squared equals xc and Diego's observation that b squared equals yc. May observes these statements can be thought of as claims about the areas of rectangles. Complete the statement about May's claim. BGHC, that's this, I guess it's a square, yeah, square, has the same area as KEBD, yes, FKDA, well, that's too big, so same area, that one's way smaller, so it has to be the first. KEBD. ACIJ, that's that big guy right here, has the same area as, well, the only big guy around is KEBD, no, that's that skinny rectangle here, no, KFDA, yeah, the big guy. Question 3, Andre says he can find the length of the third side of a triangle, and it is 5 units. May disagrees and thinks that the side length is unknown. Which of the following explains with whom you agree? Well, we already talked about a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, but it didn't show that it's a right triangle. So if it did, then it would be 5. I agree with May because we do not know if triangle ABC is right, so we cannot use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for the side length. Question 4. In right triangle ABC, altitude CD is drawn to its hypotenuse. True or false? Triangle CBD must be similar to ABC. Alright, so CBD and ABC both share a common angle, angle B. Yeah, CBD, that's the middle-sized triangle, and ABC, that's the big triangle. They both have this angle, angle B, and they both have a right angle. It's marked there and there, so they are similar by angle, angle. Question 5. In right triangle ABC, altitude CD with length 6 is drawn to its hypotenuse. We also know AD equals 12. What is the length of DB? If we look at the middle sized triangle ACD, we see its short side is 6 and its middle side is 12. Let's put short over middle. And if we look at the small triangle, BCD, its short side is what we're trying to find, and its middle side is 6. So again, short over middle would be x over 6. 12 times x is 12x, and 6 times 6 is 36. 12x divided by 12 is x, and 36 divided by 12 is our answer, which is 3. Question 6. Lines BC and DE are both vertical. What is the length of BD? Okay, so we have big triangle over small triangle, 5 over 2 equals big triangle over small triangle. And the big triangle is segment AD. So AD will be x over 3, of course. 2 times x is 2x, and 5 times 3 is 15. Divide both sides by 2, x equals 7.5. 7.5. That's not what they wanted. They didn't want to know what AD was. They want to know what BD is. So it'd be 7.5 minus 3. 7.5 minus 3 is 4.5. Question 7. In right triangle ABC, AC is 5 and BC is 12. A new triangle DEC is formed by connecting the midpoints of AC and BC. What is the area of triangle ABC? Well, its base is 12 and its height is 5. So it'd be 1/2 times, what was its base? 1/2 times 12 times 5. You can see that would be 30. What is the area of triangle, so that was ABC, what is the area of triangle DEC? Well, each side would be half. This side would be 6, and that side would be half of 5, which is 2.5. You can see that's 7.5. Does the scale factor for the side lengths apply to the area as well? Type yes or no. No. If we multiply that by 2, it'd be 15, not 30, right? So, no. Question 8. Quadrilaterals Q and P are similar. What is the scale factor of the dilation that takes Q to P? Q to P gets smaller, so its corresponding sides are 4 and 5. Since it gets smaller, it'd be 4 divided by 5. It would be a number less than 1. Question 9. Priya is trying to determine if angle ADC is congruent to triangle CBA. She knows segments AB and DC are congruent. She also knows that angles DCA and BAC are congruent. segment AB and DC are congruent? They're very close. Also known as CA and BAC. DCA should be congruent to BAC. Is that what they say? BAC. Which of the following are correct? We also know that AC is congruent to itself, right? We don't have to measure it once, right? It's on both triangles. So that would be side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Triangle ADC is congruent to triangle CBA by side, angle, side. Triangle congruence theorem.